Hey second graders, we're here with your fourth science video of the week. We are still talking about properties of materials, and we have a fun little video to start off this morning with.
Why do we make greenhouses out of glass? It's because glass is a transparent material. Transparent is another way of saying see-through. Sunlight passes through the glass, so the plants inside can grow. We say that being transparent is a property of glass. Water and plastic wrap are transparent materials too. But every material has more than one property. As well as being transparent, glass is a hard material with a smooth texture. Wool, on the other hand, is soft and flexible. If it weren't, we wouldn't be able to wrap ourselves up in it. Sandpaper is flexible too, but it has a rough texture. What about the metal steel? What are its properties? It is strong, hard, and rigid, which means it can't be bent easily. Now what about rubber? It can be soft and stretchy. So which material, steel or rubber, would you choose to build a bridge out of? Steel, of course. You wouldn't want to build a bridge out of soft, stretchy rubber. Materials are used in different ways, depending on their properties. Umbrellas are made out of waterproof materials like nylon. Towels are made out of materials that soak up water, called absorbent materials. And greenhouses are made out of hard, smooth, transparent glass.
Awesome video. For our worksheet today, we are still going to be looking for items around our house that meet certain properties, and then we're going to give you guys some properties where you have to go find objects that meet those properties. So let's talk about what we mean here.
All right, I'm ready.
Okay, here's what we're going to do. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to give the kids an object to go find. Okay? I bet everybody at home has a pillow somewhere.
I bet they do
Okay,
too.
Ms. Marquardt's gonna write down the object pillow. You know what else would work? I'm gonna have you write down a second object.
Okay.
Stuffed animal.
Ooh.
Okay.
Okay.
Both of those objects, I want you guys to go and grab one and then come back to the video. So push pause right now and go grab a pillow and a stuffed animal and then come back. Pause. Okay, did you unpause it? Do you have your pillow and your stuffed animal? Good. We are using the sense of touch and texture to describe the pillow and the stuffed animal. Ms. Marquardt,
Yeah.
since I can't ask them because like we're pre-filming this video and
I get
nobody's
it.
there to answer this question for
Uh-huh.
me, if you were to touch your pillow or your stuffed animal, what would it feel like? What property would it have?
It would be soft and it would be super comfortable and it would just make me want to cuddle up and go to sleep.
Yes. So we're hoping that you guys came up with the same property that Miss Marquardt did.
Soft?
Soft, yeah. So you can write the property soft at the top. Okay, are you guys ready for one more scavenger hunt before I have to make you do even more? Okay, here's what I want you guys to go find next. I want you guys to go find a spoon in your house. Okay? Once you find that spoon, come back.
I'm
Did you
back.
pause the video? Oh, you're back? You have the spoon?
Kind of.
Okay. I want you to fill the spoon in your hand. Pretend that you have a spoon in your hand. Because all the kids at home have a spoon in their hand.
I'm going to pretend that this pen is a spoon.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, you know what? A pen would actually work too. So you
It
could
would.
even write down a
Oh.
pen as well.
All right.
I bet they have a pen or pencil at home.
Yeah. All right.
Okay. So when you're feeling that, what does it feel like?
Ugh, feels really hard.
It does.
And it's not bending at
It's
all.
not.
It's hard, yeah.
It's really hard. And
Okay.
that is a great property to use to describe a spoon and a pen. Both of them are hard. They're not soft, and I probably wouldn't choose it to lay my head down on or to sleep with because I want something soft to sleep with, not something hard. Good job. So you figured out that the property for pillows and stuffed animals was soft, the shared property, and that the shared property of a spoon and a pen, the way they feel, they're both hard.
It's really hard, yeah.
Okay. Now down here, we're going to do less of the work for you. You guys are going to have to find the objects on your own. We're going to give you 2 properties, and you have to go around your house and find something that meets that property. Can you think of a property we could give them?
I would love to.
Okay.
I was thinking, how about they need to find something shiny?
Ooh.
Is that a good one?
That's a good one.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll write that down.
And you can write down as many shiny objects that you find at home as you want. You can write down 1, you can write down 3. We don't care as long as the objects that you write down are shiny. Okay. I'm thinking of something that is bendy.
Ooh, I was going to say the same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So something that's bendable, that's bendy, that doesn't hold its shape when you try to like bend it. Okay. And you can find one object that's bendy, or you can find multiple things that are bendy at your house that you want. We're not going to write anything down here because we want you guys to write that down. Okay. Once you're done finding the shiny and the bendy objects, we're just going to flip the paper over to the back, really quickly go over the back. We're not going to worry about the challenge here. We're going to jump down to the reflect part. Okay? And I'm going to think of a property, and this property is kind of almost exactly the same as the one I just gave them.
Okay.
I'm thinking of, and just because I want to have you guys learn some new vocabulary, I want to use the word flexible.
Ooh,
Yes.
that's a good one. Okay.
I'm not very flexible. I've never been able to do the splits. I've always wanted to be able to do that. I'm not a gymnast. It's not like something I have. So I want to find objects that have the property of being flexible. Okay, and we're gonna think of some things that are flexible, that when I unfold it or fold it or bend it, it doesn't hold its shape. I can change the shape of it.
Okay, so I can't write Mrs. Grant here.
No, I'm not very flexible.
Okay, I'm thinking of, I have a notebook at home that I can kind of bend back and
Yeah.
forth, and then it goes right back into its shape.
Yeah,
So
you
can I write a notebook?
A notebook. You can write
Okay.
even paper there.
Ooh.
You know what I like to play with sometimes when I'm like sitting in a really boring staff meeting?
Uh-huh.
Paper clips.
Huh.
I unfold the paper clips and then like I fold them back together, or I like twist them into different designs.
So you're the one who does that.
Yeah, I do.
I find those in my
Yeah.
classroom.
So we could put paper, we could put notebooks, we could put paper clips.
How about a rubber band?
Oh, that's really
Really
flexible.
flexible.
So there's a third
Wow.
thing. They only need to think of 3 things that are flexible.
But they don't have to use ours. They could
No.
go around their house
Yeah.
and find things that are flexible and
Uh-huh.
maybe even use their hands to feel it
Yep.
and figure it out.
Absolutely.
I love that idea, and I love learning about some new words that kids can
Yes.
use.
Have fun.